Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So, if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations, just like CUET Data Science. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the CUET Data Science question paper, and the question is telling us that given x1 y1 x2 y2 xn yn be the best fitting data of y equals to fx by least squares requires minimization of. There are four options here. So the first thing we have to think about that the least square requires this thing. Okay, so the least square method is a standard approach is to fitting a model to data by minimizing the sum of the squares of the residuals. So the residuals are differences between the observed values of yi and the values predicted by the model fxy. So given the data points which are x1, y1, x2, y2, dot 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 x and yn, the least square method minimizes the following quantity by this. That means summation I equals to 1 to n. Then it will be yi minus f of only this thing. These things also. So this have to be our result. So this is very obvious question as this thing is written in our option C. So the correct answer of this question will be summation I up to n, I from 1 up to n, and the residual will be yi minus f of xy's whole square. Okay, this is the sum of the squares of the residuals, which is the quantity minimized in the least square method. So the correct answer will be our option C. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please reach out to us. Uh, so please you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email. So then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.